Dave, I think we might have a problem. I just had an encounter with the Red Fox, and my gut tells me she's on the same trail that we are.
Copy that, Green Tiger. Have you got a visual?
Nah. I think I lost her. For now.
Can I assume you read the briefing this time, or did the Fox eat your homework?
You're a charmer, Davey boy. As always.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to track the individual known as Susan Williams, the president of the Vancouver Historical Society and the current keeper of the most valuable antique in the Pacific Northwest, the Esther Short locket.
Good.
And then I steal the locket.
You did read it.
But I'm a spy, not a thief.
Something tells me that you can be both. The first thing on Williams' schedule is this evening.
How am I supposed to find a convincing disguise in Norwellsville, Washington? Do I have to go into Portland?
No, you don't. You're the spy, so figure it out.
I thought Vancouver was in Canada anyways.
Dave signing off.
That'll do.
Hi, welcome in.
Are all these clothes for sale?
Actually, we're a costume rental store for the most part, but we do have a few items that are on our sales rack.
Even better.
Come on in. Let's get started. Please. As the president of the Historical Society, I think I can speak for all of us when I say how grateful we are for his extensive historical knowledge and willingness to share it. Without further ado, please welcome Brad Hudson.
Thank you, Susan, for that generous introduction. I really appreciate it. So, built in 1909, this was originally a Carnegie library, one of many built by philanthropist Andrew Carnegie. The
Green Tiger signing on.
has operated out of
I got eyes on Williams, but no visual of the locket.
Copy that, Tiger. Williams' residence is kept secret because of the locket's immense value. You're going to have to keep trailing her until she reveals the locket in a public place.
I'll have to clone her phone in order to get her schedule.
No need. The facts should be coming in right now. The next event is the Historical Society's monthly tea party at the Hidden House. You'll have to find another convincing disguise to attend. Do you think you can handle that?
Yeah, I think I know where to find one.
This was the house of Lowell and Hidden, one of two houses that trace their origins back to the Hidden family. The Hiddens were known for the Hidden Brick Company, which was founded in 1871 and provided building materials for numerous buildings across downtown Vancouver, which include the House of Providence, which locals refer to as Providence Academy, and the Proto-Cathedral of St. James the Greater, which locals refer to as St. James.
I wonder how many donations we're gonna get today. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day.
So this is Vancouver's Slocum House. It was built in 1877 and it was the home of Charles and Laura Slocum, and it was modeled after a family home in Rhode Island. And this house is interesting because this is not the original location. It originally was 1 block south of here. And this whole neighborhood across here was full of Victorian homes with early Vancouver leaders and business people. And what happened is in the 1960s, urban renewal came through and just erased this entire neighborhood. And the Slocum House was the only home that was left. And it was actually picked up from 1 block south and planted in this park over here. And that's where it stood since the 1960s. And so when they moved the house over here, they had to figure out what they were going to do with it. And the effort to make this happen was in part with the Clark County Historical Society and many people from the city of Vancouver. And what they ended up doing was they ended up developing a theater, and Decker Theater is named after her.
Green Tiger signing on. I'm getting real tired of all this historic crap.
Ah, but you're learning so much.
I haven't been learning where the locket is.
Rumor has it Williams has plans to show the locket at the
Right.
gala tomorrow evening.
The gala. Does that mean that I need to find a dress?
You don't have a dress yet?
I'm sure I can figure something out.
Excuse me, is that red dress in the window just for display?
Actually, we've been saving it just for you. It's the last one. Things have been so busy around here with the gala. In fact, we only had one other like it in a beautiful green color. My partner rented it out earlier today.
Huh. That's cool, I guess.
Thank you for coming to this wonderful event. As many of you know, this is truly the largest event of the year for the Vancouver Historical Society. We are truly grateful for the support of the community and the support of the Kiggins Theater.
This doesn't concern you.
Oh, to hell it doesn't. Just who do you think hired you two? I hired 2 companies to make it look like there was more competition for the locket. But I knew that whoever stole it, I would end up with it anyway.
If you had the locket, Then why did you need to steal it?
Because it's not mine. It belongs to the museum. And if I stole it, the society would know that it was me. I had a perfect plan. But look at you two. I hired the dumbest, most incompetent spies working! You know what? Screw it. I'm taking this thing.
Sorry, Susan, but this belongs in the museum. Take her away, boys.
Have you been coming here this whole time?
Yeah, I mean, it is the premier costume shop of the Pacific Northwest. Hey, do you want to go get some lunch in Portland after this?
Yeah. But let's stay somewhere local. I think I know a great hot dog stand up the street.
I think we've got a problem. Red Fox and Green Tiger are in alliance. It's time to switch to plans.